Just looking at this post, as you can see, she got 1,000 likes, over 500 comments, and just imagine at this link she's promoting how many clicks she got and how many sales she got just from promoting this one offer. Now, before we get into the actual strategy and the method and stuff like that, I want to go over just a few things that you're gonna need throughout the rest of this tutorial and this video, so you can follow along. But I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you already got a Clickbank account, so I'm not even about to show y'all how to set up a Clickbank account, which is actually just how you sign up for anything else, which is free. You're gonna need a Facebook account. Pretty sure all y'all have a Facebook account already, which is also free. You're gonna need a Gmail account. I will explain later, which is also free. Then you're gonna need a Bitly account, which is kind of optional, but that's free as well. And since we're not running any paid traffic, you don't need any money to set this up. So $0 budget, a Clickbank account, Facebook account, Gmail account, and a Bitly account, you can do this method, which is everybody watching this video. So now before we head over to Clickbank to go find the offer, because I already got an offer pulled up, just want to give y'all some hot niches that just work on Facebook. That's pretty much timeless that I've seen over my years of running paid traffic, free traffic on Facebook, whether I'm doing groups or, like I said, paid traffic or whatever. Weight loss is one of the biggest, if not the biggest niche on Facebook to go and promote. Fitness offers, woodworking is hot, spirituality offers, law of attraction, and similar niches like that. But these are like the main ones that I noticed myself from just running traffic. Now that we over on Clickbank, I want to actually pull up the offer that we're going to be using throughout the rest of this video. So you come over to the marketplace, hit search products. All right, so I found the offer that we're gonna be running on the first page of, when you come on to search products. It is called the Manifestation Magic. If you can see it in the title, it's all about manifesting money and abundance and, relationships and things like that. A lot of y'all already know what this offer is. Very, very popular on Clickbank. We go look at the stats of it. Gravity of 186. That's basically 186 different people who recently made a sale promoting this product. Right away on your initial sale, you get paid $38, and you also get a rebill of $31, which is cool. So this is kind of like the perfect product to promote. And like I said, we're going to be using this throughout the rest of this tutorial. Now, if you've seen in the intro of the video, we was pretty much covering Facebook groups, which is absolutely free traffic. Anybody can go and join a Facebook group and start posting stuff. Now the way we're gonna be doing it is we're gonna be posting. Basically, the strategy is joining these different Facebook groups that's inside of your niche that you're in. So, for example, law of attraction, manifestation. You could join multiple groups like that per day, and then post relevant images inside these groups, and then come back into your post after it gets approved. Because nowadays, most of these groups, if not all of them, require like approval for each post. So what you'll do is just post the image first like this until it gets approved. And once it gets approved, come back and edit your post. Since it's not my post, I can't just edit it. But just looking at this post right here, got 1,000 likes, 500 comments. And great thing, what I like about Facebook groups the most is that any engagement that you get, so whether you get a like or a comment or a share, I believe, it bumps your post right back up to the top. So if you look at this group, it got 200,000 members. If I comment on this post right now, 9 times out of 10, this post is gonna be at the top of the group. So let me show y'all, for example, if I can leave a comment. So bump, for example. That's basically what it's called, post bumping. So if I go inside this group right now, you can see right here, top post. As soon as I went to the group, opened the group in a new tab, here goes that same exact post. That's called post bumping. So what I would do, well, the good thing about being in active groups like this and like the law of attraction and popular groups like I mentioned earlier, you don't even have to leave a comment yourself below. You can just wait till the other members come and post bump it for you. You can get a lot of traffic to your landing page by doing that, by having natural post bumps. And how you do that is basically posting images that attracts engagement. So posts like this inside of these type of groups always seem to go viral, especially those posts where they have people type something like this: I am healthy and wealthy, type yes to affirm this. That's gonna make everybody in the group go and comment, therefore post bumping your content to the top. And the more people that see, or the more eyeballs that see your posts, the more chance you get to get a link click to your offer. And if we go through her funnel, you can see right here, she's promoting the same exact offer. You can copy this landing page. You can make this. You can make this, and I wouldn't say you would be able to do it with the way that I'm teaching in this video, but anybody can make this landing page, probably with Weebly, ClickFunnels, Builderall, Kartra. It's very, very simple to do. And when you click on take the quiz, you answer a few questions and just watch where it takes them. Okay, I agree to watch to the same exact offer that we are promoting ourselves. So she's promoting the Manifestation Magic offer, and going back to this post that I just found, as you can see, 1,000 likes, 500 comments. Just imagine how many people clicked this link and actually went and took action on that offer. Pretty sure a lot of those people, even if it was only 5 people, just imagine, going back to the marketplace, see how much they pay out on each sale, $38. If only 5 people for the day went and brought that Manifestation Magic course, you done made over $150 for the day. So, $150 for a free Facebook post that only take, what, 2 minutes to, not even 2 minutes, probably 10, 20 seconds to do. Very, very easy stuff. So if you want to replicate this, for example, you can download this image. You can download any image on Facebook just by clicking on it, going to the options tab and clicking on download. I just downloaded it myself. And what you want to do is, like I said, join groups related to the offer that you're promoting. So law of attraction, for example, which is related to manifesting, all that stuff is all in the same boat. Groups, you can go to see all, or you can just click on the tab that says groups. And as you can see, I already joined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. What you want to do is just join about 3 to 5 of these different groups per day and start posting in them and becoming active, leaving comments, liking people's posts, and showing love. You don't want to just come in and always just post stuff. You might get banned that way, either by the admins or Facebook themselves. So what you can do is, like I said, you want to join the active groups. You don't want to just join groups that's, getting only 9 posts a day. You look at the posts right here, 130 posts a day, 240 posts a day. The more the better, honestly. That means the group's just more active. So, for example, let me just open up probably one more. So this one. Want to do a lot of these groups, they got like a, what's it called? A series of questions that they might ask you before you join the group. So let's see. If I clicked on join group pending, this is what I was talking about. For example, do you understand that you are requesting to join a group related to the law of attraction? It's not a dating group. Yes. Just answer questions. Beginner. Yes. Simple. Click on submit, and it will go into pending. More than likely within the next. Okay, boom. So I was about to say within the next few minutes, next few hours, you'll get approved, and from there you can start posting pretty much right away. This is a group. I think it's an open group, so all you gotta do is click on join. Please add 2 friends. Okay, I never seen that. That's kind of new. I've never seen that before. They told you to add 2 friends to the group. Now that's actually a viral way to grow your Facebook groups, is telling them to invite other people manually, so you won't even have to do it. Well, automatically, you know what I mean. So here we go again. Join this last group just to show y'all. For example, hopefully they don't have questions, and they don't. So perfect. Like I said, man, just join a few of these groups per day, and definitely just find pictures. If you don't have any pictures to post, go back to one of the other groups. You can go on Pinterest, you can go on Google, look up manifestation pictures and things like that. Anything that'll get people to comment. So like right here, pictures like this that says type whatever if you believe, or type yes. Any of those type of pictures work great within the law of attraction niches. So right here, type thank you, type whatever. I am attracting money now. I accept it. Thanks. Then you see a lot of people saying yes, I am attracting. Blah blah blah. Y'all pretty much get the gist. If you don't have pictures, just download them. And like I said before, when you post it inside these groups, especially as a new person, or really anytime, post the picture first with no caption. And then once it get approved and you're getting a lot of engagement, things like that, then you want to come in and throw in a call to action post like this. If only I knew then that listening to this sound for just 15 minutes a day will reprogram my subconscious mind to manifest unlimited abundance in my life. Click here. It's very, very simple. Now, last part I didn't show y'all, which was how can I create a landing page for free? I know how to get inside the groups, know what niches is hot. I know, what images to post, what call to action, which is very, very simple to do. You could basically, for a call to action, it's basically just telling them what to do. So for example, if you don't have any clue on what type of call to action to use, you can literally just copy the headline off the sales page. So for example, if I had just posted this picture inside the group and it gets approved, What I do is just copy this whole line right here. How to magically manifest real spendable cash starting the next 24 hours. Post that in the group with my link, which I'm about to show y'all how to make right now, and you'll pretty much be good to go. So what I like to do is go back to the sales page or whatever offer that I'm promoting and screenshot the sales page of it, and we're gonna import this picture over on Google Docs because that's what we're gonna be using to make our completely free landing page. So, open up a free Google Docs account. Well, not a Google Docs account, but a free Google Docs document. And like I said before, you're gonna need a Gmail account to be able to do that, which is also free. And from here, you can go into insert image, upload for a computer. So let me select that right now. Boom, now I got the image uploaded. What you could do is get your hop link from Clickbank, click on promote, enter your account nickname, and then generate the hop links. So Big J, generate hop links, copy that, close it, go back to our Google Docs document. Let me X out of these tabs, open more space. And from here, you can right click, insert link, should be right here, and boom. So now when they click on it, it'll take them straight to the offer. Another thing you can do is add a call to action under the picture, just in case they don't click it. You can say something like, click here to get instant access now. That's another call to action. Boom. Another thing you might want to do is probably blow up the font. This is my favorite font in Google Docs. That's just me. Bold it. Maybe even want to move it to the middle. We'll center it and highlight that and turn it into a link and paste your hop link right there. Very, very simple. This is a free, it's not a landing page, but it works, man. I see a lot of people use this method, and I want to share it with you guys. And from there, once you're done with that, you just click on share, name it, leave a name for it. You can name it manifestation magic. I'm gonna do test. Click on save. Click on get shareable link, and you want to make sure it says anyone with the link can view, not edit or comment or anything like that. So from there, you can just click on copy link. And now, like I said, when you go back to these Facebook groups and you edit in your post, you can put this link right here. Or, like I said, you can go, like I mentioned earlier in the video, you can go create you a free Bitly account. So that way, you're not posting a long, Google Docs link that looks like this. You can go and create a short link using Bitly, paste that long URL. Once you paste it, you can even change the back half of it, as you can see right here. So let's say we want to change it to manifestation magic 2020. Hopefully nobody got that. I figured somebody had it, but manifestation magic FB 20. Let's just say we want to use that. Now we can go and copy that and paste this link inside these Facebook groups once it gets approved and things like that. And that's pretty much what the link looks like. So just open it. All right, so once you open the link in a new tab, make sure it's working properly. Whenever you post this inside the Facebook groups, that you're going to get credited your sales, when they go through the funnels and things like that. But very, very simple method. Now, I did want to cover a few things that you're gonna need to note, especially for those of you that got newer Facebook accounts. If you just made your account within the last month or two, don't join more than 5 groups per day, because Facebook will look at that like, okay, what is this guy doing? Especially if you just out of nowhere just joining 10 plus groups a day, they more than likely they're gonna limit your account, how you send in IDs and stuff like that, or even ban your account. So just starting out, just join like a group, no more than 3 a day if you got a newer account. Don't post links right away, like I mentioned throughout the video. Just wait till you get your post approved and things like that, so you don't get banned. And it's 2 ways you can go about doing it, which leads me to the third point. You can either post a picture and post a caption of it with the call to action once you get approved and everything. Or what you could do is have them comment for the information. So when people leave a comment, you can just reply to them and tell them, or you can leave a link right then and there. You can tell them to private message you for the link. Now the only downside to that, some posts do go viral, like I just showed you before, with 1,000 likes, 500 comments, and you're gonna have to reply back to all those people, which could be very, very time consuming. I'm sure a lot of y'all don't have the time for that. I know I don't. That's why I don't use this method personally myself, but it definitely works. So to recap, all you do is just come to Clickbank, find you a product in one of those niches that I was talking about. If it's in the weight loss, the fitness, spirituality, law of attraction, and things like that. Find an offer that's high converting on Clickbank. You definitely want to pick a product with a gravity of over 30. That just means it's at least 30 different affiliates promoting the offer. You don't want to promote something with no gravity. Make sure it doesn't have to have a rebuild, but it always helps because that's more money that you can make on your initial sales. Check out the sales page of the offer. Make sure it's something that if you was interested in it, you would purchase from. Go and join a few Facebook groups per day. There's no need to go crazy on it because like I said, out of this one post she made, she got over 500 comments, 1,000 likes. Just imagine how many link clicks she got, and just imagine how many sales she got. So just imagine posting in one Facebook group and you going making over $100 for the day. I think that's very worth it, and all you had to do is just post the image inside the group. That's very worth it to me. And like I said, you need to create a free Gmail account, which I'm sure 99.9% of y'all already have, and come over to Google Docs, create a simple document like this, go to the landing page, screenshot the picture, or you can even go on Google and search the product name, rip an image off of there, insert it into your Google Docs, add a call to action button, and insert the links inside of both of those, so that way it's going to your offer. And get your shareable link, take that shareable link over to Bitly if you want to shorten it, create it. From there, if you want to use the links inside of the comment section or inside the caption, you're pretty much good to go. But that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I reply to everybody. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I release more videos like this. And if you want to learn this strategy in more detail, I definitely recommend you go check out my beginners course in the description down below, which pretty much covers everything you see in this post. I also cover everything inside the members area on the sales page of this, so all you gotta do is just click the link in the description. But I will see y'all in the next video.